Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 10th to 14th November 2025. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as we can see 0.22% positive move, 153.397 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see last week a bearish move with a small body and a small lower and upper wick. If I talk about the current momentum in stochastic RSI is that overbought area which is indicating as a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So this is a one-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos. Currently, the important support zones and resistance zones are already marked during a previous week analysis. So currently we don't need to mark any important data because there are no such data changes in this week or the previous weeks. So let's talk directly about the closing first. So here 153.397 was the closing. Here the direct support is 153.067 and direct resistance is 153.425. After direct support there is a support of 152.694 and then 152.202. After direct resistance there is a resistance of 153.913 and then 154.422. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your analysis. Currently, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I've also shared a 20% discount coupon code which will help you to get 20% discount on any challenge that you buy from the prop firm number one. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I've already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a positive move that is in this side, that is 153.425 to 153.913. If you're looking for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 153.067 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed below this, then we can go for a short trade 152.694. Even we can go for a bit short to this level as well, 152.202. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.